In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the exercise known as a high plank to elbow, or alternatively known as a plank push-up. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be in a plank position, coming from a plank position up into a high plank and then back down into your normal traditional plank. As you're doing this, you're going to get all the usual benefits of a plank, so core stability and lower back working, but you're also going to get a lot of arms, so triceps and shoulders will be starting to kick in as we do this exercise as well. So it's a fantastic exercise for those doing circuits, high intensity, or looking to get more out of a plank progression. So firstly, what we're going to do is you can start off at the bottom of a plank or in a high plank. So I'll show you both. Now, if you're starting off at the top, what you're going to do is you're going to have your wrists directly underneath your shoulders, and then from this position, you're going to keep your hips high, nice and neutral, so hips in line with your shoulders. You're going to come down into your plank position and push back up. Now notice each time I'm going to be pushing up with the opposite hand. So right hand pushes, then left, or vice versa. What we don't want to do is start dipping too far back, so make sure you're on your tiptoes as you're doing the exercise. Stabilize the movement at the bottom and then stabilize the movement at the top as well. Now the reason why it's also called a plank push-up is because we can start that movement at the bottom. So we could start in our plank position, it's the same exercise, and we can push up, stabilize at the top and come back down. You can have your feet as wide or as narrow as possible. If you've got a wide stance, it's going to be easier. If you have a narrow stance, it's going to be a little bit harder. Of course, to progress this, you can increase your repetitions over time, and of course your sets when doing the exercise.